Hello, so I've got some reasons here why you should be getting involved in the CBD industry. There's 18 reasons I've got, okay. The first reason is because it is absolutely hot at the moment, okay. It's the best new trend since Bitcoin, which was last year, okay. Sorry, you need to ask yourself, okay, how many people on your Facebook newsfeed, okay, are involved in something like this now. It's actually, as you can see from this clip here on the Rolling Stone article, new report predicts CBD market will hit 22 billion by year 2022. Okay, so this is massive, and it could outpace marijuana. Even if marijuana gets legalised, there's people going to be not wanting to get high, so in order to help with their illnesses, etc. You can see my testimonials page. Okay, it's in the link down below, the Facebook link. People are getting involved because they want better health. The compensation plan is the only one in the industry where you can get up to, for super affiliates, 1 million per month. Craziness. Also, the company did 10 million in sales last month alone. 10 million. Just let that process. 10 million pounds. You've got done for your marketing funnels through this particular challenge. Okay, not through the company website that we've partnered up with, but actually through the CBD challenge. Okay, and again, the link's in the description below. You get your social media training. I've partnered with a team that have absolutely smashed their way through the company leaderboard in 1 month. Okay, so all you need to do is get people to the pre-enrollee page, okay, which you get a link for when you sign up, okay, and all these funnels as well, they're absolutely spot on. These people are the best of the best in the marketing world, okay. Okay, so the system does 90% of the work for us. Okay, it's just we've got one job, just to get traffic into the funnel. Okay, so there's no need to be writing lists to your mum, your aunt, your uncle, trying to persuade them to buy products, etc. Okay, and there's 3 step-by-step videos. There's 90 videos, 90 daily videos. Okay. Sorry, my alarm's going off. You've got 90 daily videos, okay, to talk through of everything about building a CBD business. And if you've got another business, you can take this information and you can, you can use it in your other business. So even if it's a brick and mortar business, not necessarily network marketing or affiliate marketing. So there's 7 ways to get paid. So you get your instant commissions, and then you get all your your business volume and everything as well, which is amazing because you're placed in one leg, okay, for the compensation plan. And also as well, like giving away a BMW i8 in Los Angeles in October at the conference. So it's just craziness. I mean, these guys have invested a lot of money in all the different landing pages that we can use. They're doing landing pages for, which can target certain niches. They've got landing pages for pets. They've got landing pages for, and they continue to build. We're going to have a library of landing pages depending on, who you're targeting and who you're sending to your funnel, okay? So it's just important to get these people hard coded to you, get them to enrol. There's no harm in them pre-enrolling, and it's absolutely free for them as well. So, send me a message if you want more information, okay, or you can click one of the links below and have a nosy, have a look around yourself. That's about it, but there's probably many more reasons why you should be getting involved in this industry, even if it's not for health benefits, or financial. It's just going to be an absolute amazing community to be part of. Okay, so have a good day anyway. With that being said, I'm going to go. Okay then.